Staying focused in a world full of distractions is hard, but Windows can help. In this video, we will explain how to use Windows Focus and Do Not Disturb. These features silence notifications so you can concentrate without constant interruptions. To start a focus session, open the Settings app or the Clock app, where you will find Focus. Set a timer for how long you want to concentrate, and Windows turns on Do Not Disturb, hides taskbar badges, and helps you stay on task. When time is up, you get a gentle reminder, and you can even schedule breaks between sessions. For quick quiet, you can turn on Do Not Disturb directly from the notification center, which silences alerts until you turn it off. You can customize which notifications still get through, such as alarms or messages from important people, so you never miss something truly urgent. You can also set automatic rules, like enabling quiet hours at night or while playing games. These tools put you in control of your attention. Use them to carve out distraction-free time and watch your focus and productivity improve.